It's small.
Snake.
Snake.
Snake with feet. Ano yan?
Snake with feet. Are you recording ka? How much charge does it have? Hello. Come with me. What's the name of it again?
Wildlife and
What?
Park and wildlife.
Like
What?
what again? Wild Park and Life.
Wildlife and park and wildlife. I don't know. Oh.
Come with me to the park. Come with me to the park and wildlife. Wow! Wow! This place is a 10 out of 10. Recommended for kids, babies, adults.
Dapat nagpakawala sila ng unggoy dito, no? No? Monkey, no? Kasi sayang yung mga puno. Walang kumakain ng mga prutas.
At sa Ninoy Aquino Ninoy Aquino Park and Wildlife Center.
Yeah.
It's colder na. Di ba mama, it's colder? You feel colder? Mama, to exit. Way to exit.
Diba, sabi ko kay Kian, parang ano to, field trip.
Oo.
Parang ganun
Malo
yung-
ka.